Hello everyone, it's Patty, and today I'll be sharing with you the unboxing of the Simply Gilded May sub box. And as you can tell from here, the theme of the box is Mayflowers. Now, if you have not subscribed yet to the sub box, you still have until the 28th to get this particular box. So I will have a link below to Irene's website so that you can sign up. And I am so in love with the color scheme, first of all, because I really love pink with gray. I think it's very sophisticated altogether. And then I love the foiling, and the flowers are so pretty with the little bees. And again, as always, Irene thinks of everything, and so every little detail, like the little vine in the back with the little ladybugs, and then it says April showers bring May flowers. And again, if you want to store your sub box on your shelf, you can store them like this horizontally, and you have the spine that will tell you which subscription box is in your in this particular box. And these are truly, I mean, they are like keepsakes because they're so beautiful. The artwork, it's always gorgeous. But let me take everything out of the sub box, so I'll show you everything that you get for the sub box, which the sub box which is a monthly recurrent sub box. And there's also the 5mm add-on subscription, which this month includes 4 little 5mm vertical bow washi tapes. There's also one that is actually silver foiled. I love these colors, but I will take them out and show them to you individually later. So let me take everything out and I'll be right back. Taking everything out of the box, and the first thing I want to share with you is the kind of menu card that you get every month with your subscription box, which tells you exactly what is included. And as you can already tell, it's a lot of goodies. Now, I'm not going to go exactly in the order that they're shown here, just because it's easier for me to show all the washi tapes at the end, but I wanted to share it with you because it's just like you can really see how much is included for the cost of the sub box. So setting that aside, the first thing, it will be the journaling card. And Irene makes beautiful journaling card. Her artwork is stunning, and this one is just as beautiful. This one is a kind of a mauvish pinkish color with a beautiful foil bee in the middle, and it says believe. And these are printed on a very beautiful like buttery soft paper that is very smooth, and you can use these for journaling. You can use them as page markers. You can just collect them, put them in frames. So there's tons of uses for these, and I just love this one. The next thing I want to share with you is the cute sticky notes. And how adorable is this? So these are our sticky notes. They have silver foiling all around. It says notes, and then there's a little vine with adorable little ladybugs. It's so perfect for spring, for May. And these are so useful. I use them in my planners all the time. I just like to have a little notepad in there. And then this is a new thing. This is a new size. If you're familiar with it, before Irene always included a pocket size traveling notebook insert, and this time she is giving us a full B6. Now, if you're not using the B6 size, you can also use it just for note taking, etc. But how gorgeous is this? I love this gray with the flowers, and it says honey in the middle with a little pink bow, and it says sweet in silver foiling, against Simply Gilded. And as you can tell, these are stitched. They have a stitch back, which is a nice touch, and the paper is very it's a very nice weight, and it's nice and soft. So I love the B6 because I use the B6 basically every month. And then this is a new item. We've never seen this before. This is a little leather, kind of like I don't think this is leather. It's full leather. It's actually fabric in the back, but it has a leather feel little pocket that you can use in your Obonichi weeks. Actually, this will be perfect. You can just tuck it in the corner, and then you can see there's an adhesive here, so you can get your little stickers there. And it has a beautiful bee that it's silver foiled on it. I love this. I love when we get like something that we never gotten before. And then how cute is this? This is a magnet of little Jasper. Jasper is the other character that Irene has. Juniper is the mascot, and she's a cute bunny. And this is her friend Jasper, who is this adorable little bear. I mean, his expression is to die for. And this is the first time I think that we see a magnet of Jasper. I love it. I'm going to add it to my cart for my collection. And of course, everything comes packaged in the beautiful, plastic wrapping, but I removed it just because I didn't want to, you know, put you guys through removing everything from the plastic while I'm filming. And here is the pouch, and I love that Irene always gives us a pouch because these are so useful. You can use it for makeup, for crafts, for, you know, putting your essential in your bag. And here it is. They're all lined and has a little Simply Gilded label, and it's the beautiful pattern like in the you know, in the box that came, the subscription came with. And I just love it. It's a perfect size. It's about 4 by 6, I would say. So love this one. And then we get a pen. Yay, I love pens. I love these pens in particular. This is the new style, which is, I think it's a style that's going to stay because everybody loves them. It has this cap, you know, you can just remove it. There we go. It was a little, there we go. Now it's ready to go. You can just pop your little cap in the back and you're ready to go. And they write beautifully. They're gel pens, and these are actually, they're gonna be refills in the store, available next week. So if you have these pens and you've been wondering where you can buy refills, now you can buy them directly from Simply Gilded, and they'll be added next week. And I love that the pattern is the one from the box because I love the pattern so much. And then we get a few more goodies. So we get these gorgeous foil bows, these little labels, and I've been using actually these to make page markers. I put them on top and laminated them of my little pocket kind of like page markers, and I just love these colors because they match the kit perfectly and they're very unique. I love the soft pink and I love the silver foiling. And then we're getting into the stickers, and how cute is this? So Irene has released recently these new juniper stickers, which are printed on the beautiful buttery soft paper, and they come in different foiling. This is the silver foiling, and they have a little juniper holding flowers, and she's got their little outfits on. And you can you know, get juniper in basically all the activities that you may think of on the website. So just check under stickers. But now she has been including them. This is the second month that they're being included in the sub box. So I'm just so happy because I just love little Juniper. She's so cute. I've been asking for a stuffed animal. We need a stuffed animal, a Juniper. And then you also get 2 full sheets of deluxe stickers. Now, if you haven't been around a little bit, deluxe stickers are now in a much, you know, thinner paper. You can use this in your weekly layouts. It's not gonna bulk up. The paper is the same as the Juniper sticker, so it's buttery soft. It's beautiful. The colors are so intense. They're just very saturated. The foiling is just perfection. And you get, as you can tell, 1, 2, 3. So you get 8 boxes, so you can have a full layout with this. And then you have here your days of the week, you have some important dates, you have some icons, you have this little tabs that you can use you know, throughout, like to mark different activities. You have some checklists, your little bows, and then more headers, and then some deco, some little flags. So you have a lot of this. So whatever layout you prefer, planner, these will work, even though the full boxes are meant for the Erin Condren, but you can adjust them. You can use them in your hobo and whatever else. And then here comes the piece de resistance, which is the washi tape. You know, Irene is known for her washi. This is where she started, and she never disappoints. And I have taken everything out of the wrapper already because I didn't want to unwrap it on camera. But as you know, if you're familiar with it, they come individually wrapped with the beautiful Simply Gilded logo, and you get 5 rolls of washi in this you know, in this subscription, and you're getting 3 of the 15 millimeters and 2 of the 10 millimeter. But let me show them to you one by one. Let's start with this 10 millimeter, which is this gorgeous kind of like watercolor effect with the colors, with some gray, some mauve, some yellow, and it has this silver foiled word that says your beautiful blossoms, spring forward, and then turn over a new leaf. I just love it. And then the other 10 millimeter, it's a gray background with the beautiful bee and the flowers foiled over, and these are very like complementary, you know, to the rest. And I love the 10 millimeter. Actually, it's a great size for decorating. And then this one is adorable because I just love that pattern, the pink with the gray and the white, and I love the little bees with the little foiled little wings. It's just too cute. Love it, love it. It may be my favorite one, although I just love this one too. This color is called Honey. Can we talk about the gorgeous pattern with the foiling? And this is very, you can only get it in the sub box. This is not available in the store. So if you are a fan of this design like I am, you can only get it here. And so this is, I wanted to show you like the difference in color. So this is the Honey, and then we have the Nectar. So the Nectar is a color that is a little bit hard. Like the color, it's mostly hard to catch on camera, especially with the lights. So I would describe it as a very soft peach, creamy pinkish color, but with silver foiling. But Nectar, I think it's just like a perfect description. I think Irene came up with the perfect name. But I wanted to show you as a reference. This does not come with it, but I just wanted to show you, so it's not pink, as you can tell. It's a different color. It's a very unique color that Irene has not released before. So if you're like me and you want all the colors, you definitely need this one. And now let me put it side by side with the Honey, so you can tell the difference. They're very complementary, but one is more peachy, the other one is more like a yellow back, like that. So I love how they're all together. I think it's beautiful. It's a very refined color scheme, and I just love it. And then the next thing I'm going to show you, which I may have to open on camera because I forgot to take it out, it's the 5mm add-on. So this is the subscription that you can add on to your main subscription, and every month for $5.75 you will get either 3 or 4 of these rolls. These are the 5mm rolls, which are my favorite, and they come packaged all in one. Now I'm going to just remove it from the packaging and show them to you individually. Sorry about the noise, guys. But this month it's very special because we're getting vertical bows, and I think it's the first time that she includes vertical bows. And I love the colors. There's this beautiful pink, first of all, silver foiling, and then the yellow, and then of course the silver, which I have been using a ton of my silver, and then this kind of like a green, which is like a, I don't know, like, would describe it like a tealish green, sage green, I would say. So these are excellent. If you're using a Hobonichi weeks and you have limited space, these are just perfect because they fit, right with it, and they are a great companion to the, to the main subscription washi tapes. So these, you can basically subscribe to them every month if you want to. You can take it out every other month if you want to, and this will ship for free with your main subscription, but it has to be added to the subscription. So I just love, I think this is an amazing deal actually for 4 rolls of washi tape. So here it is, guys. So this is everything that you get in your May subscription box. I'm gonna put everything here, but if you do not subscribe yet, please don't miss out. Positive, you'll be sorry if you don't, because this is so cute. This is so perfect for spring, and you still have a couple of days to sign up. Not a lot of time, but it will close on the 28th, and if you order by the 28th, you are guaranteed a spot. Otherwise, it'll be too late. And so if you have any question, please reach out to me on Instagram. It's probably the best place to so that I can get a quick answer to you. And otherwise, I hope you have a wonderful weekend, and I'll see you next week with another video. Bye bye.